A means attachment and B means bigata. Bigata raga. And from viraga, vairagya. Jnana vairagya. This is wanted. Human life is meant for jnana and vairagya. Two things required. We are continuing this material existence on account of raga, attachment. Attachment for sense gratification. That is the cause of material bondage. Material bondage means, we have explained several times, to accept one body, then create another body. We have got now this human form of body, and according to our, affection or infection to different qualities of the nature, we are creating another body. So, in this way, we are entangled. So, unless we become viraga, viraga, oindriya, sense gratification, these different changes of body are being possible on account of sense gratification. Nature or God or Krishna will give me full facility. Uh, just like uh, in the Western countries especially, uh, they are now trying to become naked, nudies. So, nature will give them to stand naked like a tree or tree for many years. You are so fond of become nudie, all right, you stand up here for 10,000 years without any dress. Nature will give you. Ah. Those who have no discrimination for eating anything, damn rascal, let me give me, I will eat it. All right, then you can take the body of a pig and eat up to stool.